Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix account exists on this device world app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, we need to understand the error. So this message usually appears when you've already created a world app account using your device. The app's cache or data still links your device ID to an existing account, and you're trying to create a second account or reinstall after deletion. So first fix is to go ahead and clear cache and app data. So I'm on an Android, so you want to click and hold down world app, click on the app info, scroll down, click on the storage. You want to go ahead and clear cache and also clear data. Then restart the app and try logging in again. Now, if you're on iOS, it's kind of similar. So just go to settings, general iPhone storage, find world app and tap it. Choose offload app and then reinstall it from the app store. Now, the second fix is just to simply reinstall the world app. So click and hold down world app, uninstall, and then go ahead and get it from the Play or App Store. And then from there, simply log in using the same email wallet linked to your original account. Now, if you previously verified your world ID or connected a wallet, try logging in using the same phone number, email, or wallet you used before. The app only allows one account per device to prevent duplicates. Now, if all else fails, we need to head on over to worldcoin.org, accept all. Then from here, scroll to the bottom of the page and we need to get into world support. So click on world support and then choose world app and then contact their support here. Or if you don't see support, go ahead and open up the world app, and then on the top right hand corner, we want to go ahead and click on the gear, click onto support, and then on the top right, you should see a little headphone for support. And now once we're here, we're going to click onto allow, like so. And then just explain that you're getting the account exists on this device message and can't log in. Then they're going to go through and try and fix that with you.